Good morning. Now, gold's looking interesting to me at the moment. As you know, I've loved to be a buyer of gold all the way up here, but look at this. Okay. Now, this pattern is a bearish pattern. Okay. Now, remember, this started off back in April. All right, where gold topped out in April. Down we come, we hit some good support, okay, and we've done nothing but oscillate higher, but we've been within this channel. Now, we've talked about this before, where a market looks strong, but you have to put some defined lines in the mix just to see, you know, what is actually going on. And when you've had a big move down and you have this sort of pattern, which is higher lows and higher highs, and it's got to have come after a steep move down, which we've had. This is what we've had as well. Okay, so the top of that last week, if you bring that up here, the top of that last week came in here, and that came in just about 57, 58. Our high was 55. I would extend these lines out today, but this is coming in today at 59. Now, we are above the weekly pivot, so you know, we've got to take notice of that. But gold pre-open is at 47, so we're just about on it, with the weekly pivot being at 44. So this is going to be a big determiner of where gold goes, not just for the rest of this year, but for next year. Now, I've always been a lover of gold, as you know, but you can't ignore the things that are there in front of you. If you look at the weekly ROC, we're just beginning to point down. We are overbought on the weeklies, and we're not that overbought on the RSI. So let's take a look at the monthly chart. So we can look at this daily chart, and you can see that Friday was a bit of a spike. You can see also that we've hit the 61.8, and that is at 12.57. And overnight we've been to 12.56.6. So, you know, we've really had a good go at gold. We are currently trading at 12.47, which is going to be down below the daily pivot, but above the weekly one. So I do think that if we see the States or even Europe take us back up to any level, 53, 55, we are sellers, and we're going to put our stop above the 200-day moving average, which you can see just about here. Okay, that's coming in at 1259.90. So if we put the stop at, say, 1262, 1263, that should keep us safe from the little algos. But I do think that gold down here, I mean, obviously if we stay above 44 and just go along, yes, but this is that weekly pattern that I showed you. So let's just be careful, and as I say, we are looking to be sellers of gold for the rest of this week. I'll catch you later.